We're installing John Scott in gallery B108. We have to come out 2 floors out of the garage and then get it through the front door. So as we speak, there's contractors taking off the doors off the hinges right now. So we have access to the plaza and go straight through up the ramp in the galleries. We've tried to find other ways to get it in, and it's the only way we can figure out. There's no way we can put this baby on its side or on its end, so we've got to roll it up. But once in the gallery, we have go jacks that makes us pivot it on itself without any problems. Right now, it's just another vehicle and brute strength to get it up there.